what happened.
So why are you that way?
What happened?
Well, the boys kind of grabbed me and stuck a pole through my shirt, and then here's tape, and then they wrapped it around me, and now it's hard to move.
Turn around, let's see the back. Through your shirt.
Stop!
I don't think.
Ashley is wearing a Jordan design.
Jordan Matt design. We believe that the pole really brings out the color in the air.
Jordan,
It's hard to breathe.
Jordan, you look like a devil.
Look, he is a devil.
Okay, we're gonna go take the action.
Okay.
Let's go.
I think you ought to just
They
leave it
tried
out.
lifting me.
Sitting her
Do we
home.
have
It worked really well,
Wait,
too. Don't break your arm.
Hey, Matt, just take it away. No,
You're fine, Ash.
he's not looking and cutting at the same time. He's like, you're fine, Ash, when he's cutting my skin.
That was a good job.
Don't laugh and cut at the same time.
Jordan, pick it up. Let's go.
He gave it to us.
No, I said,
Christmas, you better
Matt, that's not what I told you. I said this won't stick to her. First I had the 2-inch tape.
You could have gave us that. That'd be better.
That would have hurt. So I did. Ashley, honestly, I was being nice.
Yeah! You're being nice. Define being nice for me. I need extra presents for Christmas this year.
Yes.